Good morning, parents and my dear students. Students, I Tapas sir, your value education teacher, has come today with a new story, and this story is for class 6 students. Lesson number 3, humility. As we all know, humility means humbleness. Now, let us see how we can bring humbleness or modesty in our behavior towards others. So, children, let's start the story. Lesson 3, Humility. Once the camel and the goat had an argument. The camel haughtily said, "Nothing like being tall. Look how tall I am." The goat heard these words and said, "Nothing like being short. Look how short I am." Haughtily means arrogantly or proudly. Now, this means the story begins with an argument between a camel and a goat, where the camel proudly said to the goat that nothing like being tall. He said to the goat, "Look to me how tall I am." Because the camel was tall, he was proud of his height, and to criticize or to let down the goat, he told to the goat, "You see how tall I am." But the goat was also proud of his height. He replied in his own way. The goat said to the camel, "Nothing like being short. You look how short I am." Means the goat was also proud of his height, being shorter than the camel, but he was proud that he is not less than the camel. The camel laughed derisively. "Well, if I fail to prove the truth of what I said, I shall give up my hump." Means, derisively means here stupidly or valuelessly. Means, the camel laughed at the goat criticizingly and told to the goat if he failed to prove what he said is truth, he will give up his hump. You know hump? We generally see hump on the back of a camel. You can see it here. Goat replied, "If I fail to prove the truth of what I said, I will give up my bleat." Means the goat also replied, "To prove that I have said is also right or true, I will give up my bleat if I am wrong." Bleat means sound of a goat. "Agreed," said the camel with a hump. "All right," said the goat. Both of them agreed to each other, and both of them move ahead in search of the truth. As they walked, they came to a garden enclosed by a low wall without any opening. Enclosed means surrounded. means while walking, they both came to a garden which was surrounded by a low wall without any gate in it. Means it was enclosed or covered by all the side, but there was no entrance gate to that garden. The camel stood on the side of the wall and reached for the plants within by means of his long neck. Then he turned jeeringly to face the goat, who was standing at the bottom of the wall. He said, "Now, would you like to be tall or short?" Jeeringly means mocking or taunt when we make fun of someone. The camel went close to the wall and ate the leaves of the plants which were inside the wall without any difficulty. At the same time, the goat was standing at the bottom part of the wall without getting chance to eat anything. The camel mockingly told to the goat, "Now, what do you say? Would you like to be tall or short?" The goat went away without saying anything to the camel. Next, they came to a garden enclosed by a high wall. As they walked around it, the goat located a side where the garden had been fenced with bamboo sticks. The goat and the camel hurried over. The bamboo sticks were too firmly bound for the camel to push and make his way through. It means fence here means boundary, and this paragraph means from there they both moved ahead and came to a garden which was surrounded by high walls. So both of them went around the wall to find a way to enter the garden. But the goat found out a place in the garden where the fence was made of bamboo sticks. Both of them ran there, but the bamboo sticks were so strong that it was very hard for the camel to find a way through it so that he can eat the green grasses inside the garden. The goat, on the other hand, found a small weak spot at the bottom to break open. He entered and ate his fill of vegetables within. When he came out, he looked up at the camel, who had stayed outside because he was too tall to enter the garden, and asked, "Now, would you like to be tall or short?" It means the goat on the other way found a small opening through the bamboo fence and entered into the garden and ate the green vegetables at his wish. After eating, he came out and looked at the camel who was standing outside as he was too tall to enter through that way. The goat told to the camel, "Now, would you like to be tall or short?" The camel did not have a reply. Thus, the god taught the camel a lesson of humility, that tall was good where tall would do. Of short, again, it was also true. Humility means humbleness. The camel had no answer to God's question. So, like this, the God taught a lesson of humbleness to that arrogant camel. The moral of the story is, children, everyone is special in its own way. So we should appreciate or give respect to others' quality and talent. If we don't do so, we show arrogance, then one day or other you should be humiliated by other for your arrogancy. So be humble, give respect to others. Thank you, children.